Hello everyone, my name is Marija and I'm a flight attendant for Air Serbia. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to do a cabin crew makeup look based on Air Serbia style and image standards and get you to look like this. Enjoy! I begin by applying the foundation that best matches your skin color, covering all the little imperfections. Try a few until you find your perfect match. Next, I will apply eyeshadow on my eyelids. Only beige color is permitted. Remember, we all have different skin colors, so you should try a few shades until you find the right one for you. Now, if you have dark under eye circles, you can use a concealer to cover a darker area. Blend it nicely into your foundation so there are no harsh lines. At this point, you can apply an eyeliner, but this step is entirely optional. After this, I will apply mascara onto my eyelashes. It has to be black mascara. Look down while applying. That will help you minimize the mess the mascara can sometimes make. The next step is to add bronzer onto your cheeks. The shade that is permitted is bronze and pink brown. This is how you apply it until you will land that perfect look. The last step is to finish off the look with red lipstick. The permitted tones are classic red, dark red, and red with a pinkish orange tone, which we feel that gives you an air of confidence and sophistication. And that's it. These basic 7 steps will lead you to cabin crew makeup look for Air Serbia. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you all soon.